The Motorola Edge 60 Pro is a compelling upper mid-range offering from Motorola focusing on a balanced user experience with some premium touches. Here's a detailed breakdown. For special features: exceptional durability, IP68/IP69 and MIL STD810H. This is a major highlight, offering superior protection against water, dust, and even high-pressure water jets, along with military-grade resistance to environmental stressors. Moto AI 2.0 and AI Key. Motorola emphasizes its AI integration, offering features like AI-powered camera enhancements, e.g., Group Shot, Magic Eraser, Magic Editor. Smart Connect with AI voice commands for seamless device interaction, TV streaming, PC mirroring, and a dedicated AI key for quick access to Moto AI functions, summarizing notifications, recording/transcribing screen content, generating images, Pantone-validated colors and skin tones. The display and camera are tuned with Pantone validation, aiming for highly accurate and true-to-life color reproduction. Advanced camera system. The triple 50MP/50MP/10MP setup with OIS on multiple lenses and a high-resolution 50MP ultra-wide with autofocus, along with a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, offers significant photographic versatility. 6,000 mAh C/Li-ion battery. This silicon-carbon battery technology often allows for higher energy density in a smaller volume, contributing to the impressive battery life for a relatively slim device. For pros: outstanding durability. The combination of IP69 and MIL STD810H makes it one of the most robust phones in its class. Excellent display. A very bright, sharp, and color-accurate POLD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Generally great camera quality. The main, ultra-wide, now 50MP with autofocus, and telephoto cameras generally produce good photos in various conditions, with a focus on accurate color and skin tones. Strong battery life. The large 6,000 mAh battery delivers impressive endurance, rated very highly by reviewers. Fast wired and decent wireless charging. 90W wired charging is very fast, and 15W wireless charging is a convenient addition. Clean software experience. Motorola's Hello UI is known for being close to stock Android with useful added features and minimal bloatware, though some reviews mention pre-installed apps. AI features. Moto AI and Smart Connect offer genuinely useful intelligent features for productivity and connectivity. Premium design. Light, compact, and grippy body with attractive color options and a premium feel despite a plastic frame. Long software support, 3 OS updates, and 4 years of security patches. For cons: downgraded refresh rate. While 120Hz is still excellent, it's a downgrade from the 144Hz of its predecessor, Edge 50 Pro. Downgraded charging speeds from predecessor. Wired charging is down from 125W to 90W, and wireless from 50W to 15W compared to the Edge 50 Pro. Selfie camera lacks autofocus. Despite being 50MP, the front camera's lack of autofocus is a step back from previous Motorola flagships. Video recording limitations. No 4K at 60fps recording across any camera, and video stabilization can be poor, especially on secondary cameras and when moving. Plastic frame. While contributing to lightness, some might prefer a metal frame for a more premium feel and better heat dissipation. USB 2.0 port. This is a significant downgrade from USB 3.2 on the Edge 50 Pro, leading to much slower data transfer speeds. Potential for software stutters/bloatware. Some reviews mention occasional slowdowns, and while generally clean, some pre-installed apps and ads have been noted. Telephoto sensor size. The 10MP telephoto uses a relatively small sensor which might struggle in low light. Overall conclusion. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro positions itself as a robust and feature-rich upper mid-range smartphone with a strong emphasis on durability and excellent display and impressive battery life. Its IP69 rating and MIL STD810H compliance are standout features for peace of mind, making it suitable for users who need a more resilient device. The camera system is generally good, particularly the main and upgraded ultra-wide lenses, though video capabilities and the fixed-focus selfie camera are areas for improvement. The inclusion of Motorola's intuitive Hello UI with useful AI features like Smart Connect adds to the user experience. However, the slightly downgraded refresh rate, slower charging speeds compared to its predecessor, and the use of a dated USB 2.0 port are notable compromises. For users prioritizing a durable, long-lasting, and generally well-performing smartphone with a clean software experience and a good display, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is a strong contender. However, if cutting-edge video recording, super-fast data transfer, or a metal build are top priorities, some compromises may need to be accepted.